Hey, good morning. This is Paul Myers from Contractor Success System, which is a division of Clark Communications. And what I've gone ahead and done is I've sent you an email with this list. And this is a list of the most commonly searched renovation keywords that you can use for SEO and pay-per-click. So SEO would be great for your website to make sure that you've included some of these words, if not all of them, on different pages for your website. And what we've done is we've broken it down into a couple different categories. So this one here is kitchen renovations. We have bathroom renovations. We also have basement renovations and handyman renovations. So this could be easily put out on your website. Each of those core services could be an individual page on your website, a service page. Like for example, one of your pages would be titled Kitchen Renovations, and if you're in Toronto, it would be Kitchen Renovations Toronto or Bathroom Renovations Hamilton, whatever that might look like. And then keep in mind that some of these keywords, so it says here kitchen renovations and then plus your city, it's always good to have your city in some of these keywords. So as you go through this, you're going to see, your city plus kitchen renovations. So maybe it's Toronto kitchen renovations and so on. But again, you want to be relevant and you want to have authority and trust on your website. So the more content you can add, the better. So again, we specialize in renovation contractors, in contractors, getting them more leads, more visibility, more phone calls, and more sales. And it all starts with using SEO, using the proper keywords to get those eyeballs to your page more often than not. Okay, so I've also on this page somewhere, you can book a 30-minute strategy session, free strategy session, and I can kind of walk you through some different ideas. I can take a look at your website. I can do a quick audit to your website to kind of tell you what you could do yourself to kind of pivot to make it so that you do get most and you do dominate most of your area for search. So again, that's somewhere on this page. You can quickly schedule your consultation. I'd love to sit with you, have a chat, and just help you out the best I can. All right, okay, thank you. Bye-bye.